guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back and I can't believe I'm filming a video after 3 weeks. बहुत लंबा टाइम हो गया. आई नो आई वॉज मिसिंग. मैंने ढंग से कहीं पे कुछ पोस्ट नहीं किया एंड आई गॉट सो मैनी मैसेजेस फ्रॉम यू गाइज आस्किंग मी मैं कहाँ हूँ, मैं पोस्ट क्यों नहीं कर रही, मैं कब पोस्ट करूँगी न्यू वीडियो. आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर जस्ट वैनिशिंग फ्रॉम यूट्यूब एंड जस्ट लाइक सोशल मीडिया इन जनरल. मैं बस बहुत ओवरवेलम हो गई थी एंड आई जस्ट वॉजंट फीलिंग इट ऑनेस्टली. YouTube for me is not a job. I don't do this for the money or anything else. YouTube is something जो genuinely मुझे बहुत पसंद है and it's like my passion, if you will. So yeah, I wasn't feeling passionate and I just did not feel like filming. तो इसलिए मैंने कोई वीडियो नहीं फिल्म किया. But I am back after a long sabbatical and I feel good. I feel refreshed. You can see, that energy has changed a little and yeah, I'm gonna be back with filming a lot of new videos and मैं अपना normal schedule में post करूँगी Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. Let's talk about today's video जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा interesting है. You guys know Blue Heaven is one of my favorite brands and मैंने उनके बहुत products try out कर रखे हैं and बहुत सारे reviews भी कर रखे हैं. So yeah, today I just wanted to show you guys my top 5. I think yeah, I have 5 फेवरेट ब्लू हेवन प्रोडक्ट्स जो जेन्युइनली बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत अफोर्डेबल है एंड जस्ट आई थिंक यू गाइस शुड ट्राई देम आउट एज वेल. वीडियो में जाने से पहले मेक श्योर कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो. उसके लिए रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक कर देना. क्लिक ऑन द बेल बटन. यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. यू गाइस नो द ड्रिल. Oh, and I'm also going to do a giveaway very soon. It is coming and yeah, let's get started with the video. So the first product that I'm going to share with you guys are lipsticks. Now generally मैं lipsticks end में दिखाती हूँ but I just want to start with lipsticks. Generally मैं lipsticks end में दिखाती हूँ but I just want to start with lipsticks. So the first lipstick that I'm going to talk about is the Splash collection by Blue Heaven. This is what it looks like and this is in the shade Chocolate Mood. Now ये आप लोगों ने actually मुझे recommend किया था use करने के लिए and मैंने इसको already अपने पिछले affordable try on lipstick वाले वीडियो पे try कर रखा है. You guys know how much I like this. Like look at the shade. This is not the lipstick I'm wearing today. ये एक और different combination है जो मैं आपको next वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी. But I genuinely I'm in love with this shade. This is just like the perfect brown color and I believe these are for like 150 rupees or 175 rupees, under 200. Very good quality and बिल्कुल matte है. I do like a bunch of other lipsticks but this one is my favorite. Next I'm going to talk about the Gossip range and ये भी मैंने अपने try on video में try करा था and review किया था. The first shade that I'm going to talk about is the Gossip lipstick in the shade 01 या फिर 10 नहीं 01 या इनके नंबरिंग भी ना. So this is a very bright fuchsia color. मैंने actually इसको off camera एक दो बार लगाया है because I wasn't filming so you guys not see me wearing this but this is such a gorgeous shade. Look at that. Now this is something जो थोड़ा bold color है तो ये सबके लिए नहीं है. I completely understand that but I personally sometimes just want to experiment. Normally I'm like a nude lipstick girl. That is what I wear on a daily basis with every look and that is like my comfort level. But on some days जब मैं बहुत ही plain makeup करती हूँ I really like to use a very bold lipstick and this is such a good bright color and I feel like दिवाली, दुर्गा पूजा ऐसे occasions के लिए even शादी and all के लिए ऐसे colors बहुत ही ज़्यादा beautiful लगते हैं. Again I think these range for like 200ish. Exact prices, links and reviews वगैरह सब description box में मैं डाल दूँगी so you guys can check them out. Okay, let's do a little throwback and I'm going to talk about the Blue Heaven Mintz Mascara. Like comment down below अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे last year से हो, like from the very beginning. I used to be obsessed with this and I still really like it. मैंने इस मस्कारा को इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रखा है. एक टाइम पे this was the only mascara that I had and मैं इतना एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करती थी with mascaras because I really did not care about it. It says it's the volumizing mascara but it doesn't really give me volume. But ये मेरे lashes को बहुत length देता है. It just makes it look very fluttery and it just looks so pretty. And with this I'm just like sorted. I don't need false lashes. I don't need anything. तो इस mascara को लगाने के बाद मेरे lashes इतने wispy हो जाते हैं and it just looks so full, so beautiful and it just really complements my eyes. I really like this mascara you guys. It is only for 175 rupees. Usually मुझे Maybelline के जो mascaras है वो बहुत पसंद आते हैं but I think that this mascara is better than any Maybelline mascara that I've used and I really like it and you should give it a try. Next product that I'm going to talk about are Blue Heaven blushes. Now this is my new favorite Blue Heaven blush which is in the shade 504. Now surprisingly मुझे इनका 505 shade भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. I did try it out in my Amazon video and पहले मुझे लग रहा था ये shade थोड़ा अजीब सा है. No, you guys can't see, but it just gives you a very nice flush of color on your face. It doesn't look too overpowering and that is why I really like it. ये no makeup look के लिए perfect है जब आपको एक बहुत ही pigmented blush नहीं चाहिए, but you want that little flush of color and you want your face to look very full of life and stuff like that. ये pan में बहुत ही ज़्यादा purple लगता है, but actually में on your cheek it just looks so bright and इसमें ना थोड़ा सा sheen है, like बहुत थोड़ा सा sheen है, ना के बराबर है, but actually it makes a difference when you apply it on your face. I really like it and I think this is for like 100 rupees or 125 rupees. A very good product and I also really like the 505 shade, वो भी बहुत amazing है. Alright you guys, now I'm going to talk about the Blue Heaven makeup fixer. इसका अभी मैंने recently एक review किया है. This is my current favorite makeup fixer. मैंने पहले सोचा था पैक वाला वापस खरीद लूँ, but ever since I started using this, I don't need anything else. This is what I've used today also. I use this every single day. Every time I'm wearing makeup, I use this. You can actually use this as a primer also. मैंने वैसे इसको test out नहीं किया, but as a fixer, this is amazing. Like I don't have words for this. पहले मुझे लगा था बहुत ही चिपचिपा होगा मेरे face पे and it will not do anything for me because I have really oily skin, but this is just, it's like magic in a bottle. This retails for 300 rupees. इसमें 115 ml of product है and this just does such an amazing job to set my face, especially if you're like very sweaty or you get very oily. This will really fix your makeup and it will not budge. So yeah, I'm in love with this product and you should check it out if you haven't already. Okay, coming to one of my favorite Blue Heaven products and that is the Blue Heaven primer. आप लोगों ने ये review देख रखा होगा because that is one of my most viewed videos on YouTube. This was just like one of those products that actually helped kickstart my channel क्योंकि उस video पे एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा views आ गए थे. I genuinely really like this primer, but yeah, the only thing is that ये बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नहीं बनाएगा आपके मेकअप को. या मेकअप विल स्टे पुट फॉर लाइक 4 to 5 hours, बट उसके बाद अगर आप मेरे जितने ऑयली हो यू विल end up getting very oily, but for the price, like for 300 rupees, this does a decent job and this will suit all skin types like oily, combination, dry skin. You guys often ask me कि कौन सा affordable best primer है and I would definitely suggest this to you. इसका जो consistency है that is a little runny, but other than that I don't have major problems with this. I really like using this on the daily and yeah, I still use it a lot. आप लोगों ने मेरे videos में भी देख रखे हैं and this is one of those products which you can try. It is only for 300 rupees and yeah, it does a good job. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope कि you find this helpful. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. अगर आपने ये products try कर रखे हैं, also leave me some video suggestions. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, like I always say, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.